we've got a problem. 10% of these boxes of camera covers have a smudge on the logo on the box. We're gonna have to repack this lot immediately before we can ship it out.
Well, hold on there. There's a good chance the customer would accept the shipment. What does the product spec say?
They will accept the lot if less than 4% of their product is defective. What are we gonna do?
I think the customer might accept this shipment. Let's put some numbers together to figure it out. First, we need to get some information. We're going to use a binomial distribution to figure this out.
What do we need to know first?
Well, the first part's easy. We need to know how big of a sample they take so we can figure out what 4% comes out to.
Do we need to know that the 10% are wonky?
Absolutely. That's our value for P, 0.10. It's almost like a relative frequency.
P sounds like it's from a formula.
It is, and it's a big one too. Here it is. N is the sample size, C is the acceptance number, D is the number of wonky ones that get sampled, and P is the percent defective.
Okay, we have P. The spec also says that the sample size is 25 per skid. That gives us 25 for N. How do we figure out C? There's nothing else in the spec.
Hold on, 4% of 25 is only 1. So we have P, C, and N. Let's fill this problem out for D.
I think I get it. Are we assuming that D equals 1 and D equals 0?
Yes, just like that. We have to add the probabilities of D equaling 1 and D equaling 0.
All right, but that formula's a mess.
Not when you use Excel for the factorials. Let's populate and see what we get.
Are you telling me that even though our nonconformance is more than double what's acceptable, that there's a 91% chance this lot gets accepted?
Yep.
You were right. Let's ship it. So, Pete, how do you know all this stuff?
I do it all the time for the raw materials we have coming in. We are a customer also. We have our own requirements from our suppliers.
Can I help you do a sample?
Sure. I got a load of these folding cartons coming in right now.
Let me see if I can remember. How many boxes on a skid? How many do we sample? And what's our acceptance number?
75 boxes on a skid. We sample 15 of them, and we require 20% or less to be defective.
Okay, I'll go grab 15 of them.
Whoa, no, no, no. You've got to take a representative sample.
What exactly is a representative sample?
You have to sample a wide distribution so that a completely random, unbiased sample is taken. Take boxes from the start, middle, and near the end of the production run.
Oh, I get it. So now I've got to dig through all this, huh? Rats.
That's part of acceptive sampling. It's to spread out the sample so it's not just a snapshot. It's a fair assessment. Otherwise, a manufacturer could run a lot of bad product, and so long as the good stuff is what the quality department inspects, the lot would be accepted.
Well, Pete, you sure know a lot. Thanks for making me take it down a notch on this order, and for teaching me about random sampling today.
I got it all from my amazing teachers back in the day. Never thought I'd use it, but I use it all the time.